So, some of us in this space are visual learners. I'm a little bit of both. I learn from pictures, from videos, from reading in textbooks and manuals and yada yada. I typically try to pick up tips and tricks that I can find, well, wherever I can find tips and tricks and doing stuff in general. In today's episode, we're going to be focusing just on the belt. And a lot of people tend to have problems with proper installation of I can't really say proper, a version of installing the belt on, the pulley system. First and foremost, you're going to need a belt, obviously, and you want to make sure you have all your pulleys. This is for a pulley system with the AC clutch installed. Obviously, it will be the same. Well, I can't say obviously, but it should be the same way, just one less step without the AC installed. And for you that don't know, the AC clutch system is right here, and everything else should fall into place. So let's go grab a couple of tools and let's get started. Stay focused. Okay, so for starters, you're gonna need this 13 millimeter socket. If it goes in focus, 13 millimeter socket, and here is your belt tensioner. So we're gonna set this to the side for now. All right, so if you have your belt, and this is a size to fit the one for AC, you want to look up your number on the unit. For me, here's my number for my unit. All right, so what we're gonna do, and this is what I like to do for my first step, is I put the belt over the alternator, right? Fold it under the idler pulley, like so, and I let that rest. I take it from the alternator and an idler pulley down onto the belt tensioner. All right. Now I take it up from the idler pulley over the power steering pump. Squeeze it. Right. You want it to go around the water pump and then onto the crankshaft pulley. At this point, you're wondering, like, all right, so how am I going to get it over the compressor? Well, what we're going to do there is we're going to loosen up the belt, or at least loosen the tension on the belt, and this will allow us to slide the pulley on, or the belt on, over the AC clutch. All right, so once you get it on, as you see here, it's on and everywhere. I got my right hand focused on keeping the belt tension loose so that I can check the areas to make sure that the belt itself is sitting between the pulleys and not on the edge or whatnot. And this is important because you can destroy a pulley really quick if it starts to rub on edges it shouldn't be rubbing on. So I'm just going through and just checking my work, and it looks pretty good. So at this point, if you're happy with it, you just kind of release the tension, and voila, it's all good. Everything's nice and taut enough. It's not too taut, but it's taut enough. If it's got any stuff in there, clean it off or whatever. Do your due diligence to make sure that everything turns out right. All right, so with that out of the way, that's going to conclude the belt installation, or the Serpentine belt installation for the, I'm assuming this is going to go for the 2.0, the 2.3 definitely, and the 2.5. So if you like this kind of content, don't forget to leave me a like, and comment down in the comment section. I appreciate it. You can check me out over on Instagram. Well, with that said, focused hands, signing off. Peace.